too so.
I do too so mama numa. I put to be blend this son what to ask me mama no.
I put to be blend what am I?
I am
get man no ma benum.
Yes
Kante wo jiri di bone di na tunsuo ni.
Bra, tell baby. Bra dey tie me baby. Na 2 point makwa no ti me see the fear papa bi. Na me problem na to bula mama ya. Me dis guys me bra so mpo mani to bra. Chabula what to apoto me bra we ansuo.
Enti me bre mo atopke etunsuo ani kroje abuoi. Ah manfo abrechire fo ba bia fo ku faso. Twetwe topke akiri kwan. Ana no me adi asokwan da no watentina.
Bra what say fa? What say?
Never mama have a cry. But the top room so open super papa and super pa. I am top play. So far the town put you man. Somebody say you too so oh. I am top K.
Top K.
I want to apply your just nothing. And the good one ever. Fresh out of money. What's your top K? Top K.
And so as out.
Hey, Steve, osode. Na wo kwai.
Jack me kokot.
Wo kokot.
She, wonti me case no.
Ade.
Makoto land bia ma che se. Me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manso, abusia asase, we asase. Ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni. Me ho sika nyina asa. Aka mante no mabua.
Ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so. Wa bra Best Land Estate Limited ewo omo asase won kan. Wo kuma se. Wo to asase wo Best Land wo na odua ka pe. O ma 50 bars of cement free. And I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount. And what you know, so when this cry or the be free, no would try to crack. What it? Or what the assassin free? Mimi da message now. I'm the mama assassin myself. I'm a call.
Open me a telephone number na that screen is no. Na free one says here.
Hey, and I want to now court 4 years. What me do 1 year? As you die.
If we are young as no person will see fear. As open land there
and then na best.
Yes, Kumawood Live Band. Kumawood Live Band. And a Echegu Live. Ewa Kumawood TV. Aba. Okay, my friend Sambo. Any day. And from my Kumawood Live Band. Mama Samawa Omo Ayade Pa. So show me what fear. And I said, Moa, audience, Kakra, Moshe Waha, way a Kumawood, Jumadia, Yatun the Stardom, and no, day 3, and they did brown life, our Kumawood TV, as so Sawosha, our social media, or call Kumawood TV, YouTube, your whole life, and Kumawood TV, and also Facebook, your whole life. If I or share, now I like it. Now people do comment at the aba live ewa Kumawood TV mpacho frewunia na wunia so frewunia say your favorite program ya share Stardom na wajeme so saying eye adom acheze Stardom eye adom acheze ele ye contestants ni nyina are ready live ewa ha a obia ebe show the talent e de achreyen eno ntino wo de an say obefa ofon na yeko ye ban nyina no de open asempa de oye o favorite pa no na wa vote na wo de amano na wa vote na wo de amano every people metro ekwan a obefa so a obesi avote e de ama o favorite contestant ele empanyimfo amaya te say ye kono high life eno ntimu bete kodwantwenom ene just high life artist no bebre obete omonyom life ewa ha ene ntise medical kano frewunia na wunia so emfre nua na yenyina yemehwe Kumawood TV edu samre ya TV nyina pon TV ba ko pe ene ye adwuma eye Kumawood TV mame enhwe the sponsors are omoboye amadwuma dey ekoso live at the Best Lands Estate Limited. Best Lands Estate Limited. What say? Ope asase na wasi dan. Opa asase a manson eniso. Opa asase a ehwojo. Opa asase a ni list ni bibia aye ready a. Nipa cho fa number yi na frɛ Bestlands Estate na amonso emwa 0555 253 838 0555 253 838 and a Top K borehole drilling. Top K borehole drilling. Me pacho what's the guy and I will fear who baby our person to nsuo e wo fie ho ene enche na ya to pipe mo mo de na frɛ Top K na onso ontimi emwa pa ne number no aya 0547 75 3603 0547 75 3603 ofre Top K a ono so obebo kama pa ye go so ene ye beka ne say ye balika de sala ene ye kana me ma ye nuanom enkramofo nyina balika de sala nyame ayadom ema ya fasting ama ye wie no kama na ye wo ye judge ba ko ha ono nso wo ye kremoni ema okay answer na ye beba ema so no ye kwa akohwe akwaji ye dwade nkrato kakra bi na aba ye ba ye besan ato aso medi ade Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus dwan ye ba sesia.
Hey Steve
Osode na wo kwai
Jack me kokot she wonti mi case no
ade
makoto land bia ma che se me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manso abusia asase wo ya asase ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni wo sika nyina asa aka mant no mabua
ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so wa bra Bestland Estate Limited ewo omo asase won kan wo kuma wo to asase wo Bestland wo na dua kapɛ o ma 50 bars of cement free. And I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount. And what you know, so when this kakra or the be free, no would try kakra. Won't it? Or what the assassin free? Mimi da message na o na mama assassin myself ameko.
Obetimi afa telephone number na that screen so no. Na free one says here.
Hey, and I want to now court 4 years. What me do 1 year? As you die.
E wi ase ankasa no pese osifia. Eso pelandia e ho do.
And na Bestlands Estate Company Limited.
Be a landlord.
Somebody say you too slow. Oh, and you Top K. Top K. Oh, but you are calling your Yabba. Just nothing. And if you want to have fresh out of money, what's your want to say? Top K. Top K. And so that's how.
Hey, Steve.
Osode. Na wo kwai
Jack me kokot she wonti mi case no
ade
makoto land bia ma che se me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manso abusia asase wo ya asase ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni wo sika nyina asa aka mant no mabua
ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so wa bra Bestland Estate Limited ewo omo asase won kan wo kuma wo to asase wo Bestland wo na dua kapɛ o ma 50 bars of cement free. And I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount. And what you know, so when this kakra or the be free, no would try kakra. Won't it? Or the assassin free. Mimi da message na o na mama assassin myself ameko.
Obetimi afa telephone number na that screen so no. Na free one says here.
Hey, and I want to now court 4 years. What me do 1 year? As you die.
E wi ase ankasa no pese osifia. Eso pelandia e ho do.
And na Bestlands Estate Company Limited.
Be a landlord.
I don't do so, Mamma Numa. I put to be blessed the son was to ask me, Mamma.
I put to be blue. I am. Get him on, Marvin.
Yes,
Who did you put it in that to show him?
baby, baby. Not to find my quadrant, remember me, see the fear of baby. Let me problem next to a bulla, mamma. Minister Gans, maybe there's some money to me. Chabula, what to I want to be blue as well.
And to make more okay, and to swear me project a boy, a month for pretty for baby, a four proof. I have to shut up, Kate, I tell you, I don't know me a day as for quite a lot.
Now, what's it?
I never, Mamma, have a cry. But the top room so open, Papa, and support your pa. I am top here. So far the town, what you man. Somebody say, you too. I am top key.
Top key.
I want to call you Yava. Just goodness. And a good one ever. Fresh out of mommy. What's the most top key? Top key. And so as out.
Hey, Steve.
Osode. Na wo kwai.
Jack, me kokot.
Wo kokot.
She. Wonti me case no.
Ade.
Makoto land bia ma che se. Me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manso abusia asase we asase. Ama asem na kodi court 4 years ni. Wo sika nyina asa. Aka mant no mabua.
Ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so. Wa bra Best Land Estate Limited ewo omo asase won kan. Wo kuma se wo to asase wo Best Land wo na odua ka pe. O ma 50 bars of cement free. And I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount. And what you know, so when this cra or the be free, no would change a crack. What it? Or what the assassin free? Mimi damn messing now. I'm the mama assassin, Mr. Famiko.
Who bet me a fat telephone number na that screen is no. Na friend won says here.
Hey, and I want to now court 4 years. What me do 1 year? As you die.
If we are Sianka San Opese Usifia, as Opelandia and Hood.
And then Best Lands Estate Company Limited.
Be a landlord.
I don't do so, Mamma Numa. I put to be blessed the son was to ask me, Mamma.
I put to be blue. I am.
Get him on, Marvin. Yes,
Who did you put it in that to show him?
Baby, not to find my quadrant, remember me, see the fear of baby. Let me problem next to a bulla, mamma. Minister Gans, maybe there's some money to me. Chabula, what to I want to be blue as well.
And to make more okay, and to swear me project a boy, a month for pretty for baby, a four proof. I have to shut up, Kate, I tell you, I don't know me a day as for quite a lot.
Now,
I never, Mamma, have a cry. But the top room.
Okay, Yamama Kwaba Bill Ediaba Jumadia today Stardom Ewo Kumawood TV live. Message on Facebook, Nasha on YouTube, Nina a Kumawood TV. Usha na wa like it, na wa share Eddie Amaye. Medikaka just say me day Eddie Samuel Kwabena Darko. Yabe Yadi Bashisha so live. Makase and then ye kono high life. Yadi 2 phone boko. I don't think more money high life no. Mama de assemble chamber mu TV no na fei mo nyina ma vote e de ma mo favorite contestant me be ko me ka kire mo say ye judges e wa ha na me di kan akọ me judge number 1 eye MI ene MI Baraka de Sala
Baraka akade
na fasting no den e ko so e ma na ye din ma o pa
oh Yankupada made anya di amame because my end for more than 25 years to more than 30 years inti no mama
wow and then ye mamu nyina afinhia pa ye mankramofo nyina afinhia pa ene ye kon high life assemble na beka fa ho
yeah nesen your can ye kon high life yeah different genres bebre but high life and authentic music of the Ghanaian. Our main identity. You say, oh, you're Ghanaian, now you're a musician. To come out, and at least you should have a feel of the high life. Into more performing so that we see how authentic they are. Now, improvement can cry also. I see a debate boom, yeah, they are boom. Now, because I am more authentic Ghanaian, me did say, Omu ina beya there because a omo there, and you be free baby. A omo chromium, omo original identity. We are expecting something big from them.
Okay, you're expecting something big from them. My man called me judge number 2. So, Spirit Maxi.
Yeah,
Maxi, what the way engineer?
Yes, of course.
And high life with them, and say, and then I will expect it from your contestants.
Let me expect a lot from them because I think it's a third day.
Yes.
It's your money opportunity about the game. It's then we expect this will be our baby and perform. I wouldn't say high life near at the Ghana for a foundation pie high life.
Sanity.
It's what to know and yard, and Yaman account. The wolf your head and Casan will be the kind. And I won't hear a lot of vote from them. It was trying to put to the ombete be a mad in the course of the year.
Okay. Then try Sembo Putu, Bibia Amano Akosu, ye. Ye the kind, and I said, do the kind, or Babetiano Amaye, Nipaka Krana Wano, me pese Mujinjaha, na Enyomono Ayamuda, na Mama now who say, Ayamude, no my badges to come, na Afenso, Bibia so to me, Akosu Kama. Ye won't penny for Bebrewa, every pemu Mepo Bomudin, Ama, ye you more actually, Ewaha, been free all the way from Abuase, Abba, every pemono, Ebamamo, Ehu, or more Ewaha. But, say, dear, Mommy upon Sembo, that day any energy, Asia Abrantia, your friend, credit the bank.
Stardom TV reality show.
You say you get another man. You say you don't need me again. The kind girl where I feel that day me I no go fit okay again. Oh my God, no go do like this so. I need your friend to like my pee. Yo go fit join my Audia Bugo Superstar. I go Tom Tapa Greater Foundation. Sorry ma. Semo shemi se CIA mo anga samo de share credit the banks and mo shemi se CIA. Eye kuma with Stardom program no. Me can who be na mo pese me ko so I woman and me strem mo am vote to enfama me na wo pese vote mami dial *800 *201 hash we are no abo me code 21 pamcho mo hwe ne 21 pamcho me ndi mo hwe am ntema mo so mo ndi mo hwe medam
Yay! Oh ha mami unsa sa Salesa. Oh yeah, what mama me na my denia. Eka beto ne baba ni akeka. Media meteme wanse me go kobi no bia beka me. Na so ya what ma ka fo ma me dinda o. Enda minya kowe na kan fo eba me din seye. No way, my dad, me just cabia we tree. Oh, yeah, what my mommy, man, cry, me quana me saba, na mini wendy moasem. Yeah, what my meeting yo. Yeah, what my man cry yo. Yeah, what my mena mini me aya. Yeah, oh, my music, Sabia, Oh yeah, what mama me and my denia. Mommy, sorry I what papa sorry I what me
Senior sorry, ya bought mommy and any, ya bought my card and I come from my dinner. Me was your ya bought my Kobura, ya bought my some Koda, ya bought mommy and any, ya bought my card and I come from my dinner. Me ya bought my Tiarenyo, imi abatemae, imi tiarenyo, ina oyae, awoyae, ina oyae, awoyae, ina oyae, awoyae, ina oyae, awoyae. Kumase fomo asea, kumba wuri fomo a. Mumayo, what's Imi ya batimai, imi tiarenyo, 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 mamiya.
Oh, those some credit the bank. Why are dear, you pa? Mammy can call MI Hotel.
Yes, credit the bank. Yes, why are there? But only musician now, Otto Nenyum no.
Pachoy.
Why?
Adolfo.
What it only nickname no?
Pacho David.
Oh, Black Chinese. Cooper boy. See, I was expecting say at least we did some Cooper we better to come modern days those days Shatawale no or no near Adolfo nani Cooper so that we have a feel of Adolfo and the performance the singing was okay but at the latter part no now you were shouting now we team in Tiamana in Yawi you can't perform bioma and our voice be go off entire steady no let communicate with the audience look into the camera talk to them, sing to them, give them the message. Okay? You know why you're there, but there is more room to go. Okay?
Okay, you know why you're there, but there is more room for improvement. Go back to the stage. Now, yet was live. Ewo Kumawu TV way. Eye stardom. Ye boa se obia. Owo bibi wo ni mo a MPA no. Ye boa amena pie live. Ewo Kumawu TV. Eso. Your next contestants are Oba stage, you know. Your friend Obaga Dozia. Your friend Obaga Dozia. Sir, and your friend. Your friend Obaga Dozia. Ha. Your friend Obaga Dozia. I don't know. Mama yemfa ensemble dede. Any energy. Na yemfa shia. Adantia. Your friend Obagadozia.
Stardom TV reality show.
Adeshemaima, your mama kwaba, Mosonfu Obagadona Majimaja, Sammy Kitty Biasha, Mesaka, and I made the better mood. You was someone that TV or lab G. This is your boy Obagadozia, rapping live on Kumawu TV. Stardom competition and men's make a hobby until be a fan of fun. Now voting fan for star 800 star 201 ash. Voting fast enough for mommy and I mean to me. Be Brekum, all the people who voting for mom. This is your boy Obagadozia. I get a key, Charlie. Number yes.
So that I got a key, Charlie. It's Obagadozia. Kona kabi bechame na fama de ba baby hey ni ameka ina me pesa me cherese mwana na ni baba ni oh na Emily yeah anoba mi hono no me ya mo sheme ye no baba ni mi da kokoduro ko bisani ni mani yi manu sa ya fe no nana fameko na me ko wa da fie me pesa me bisama me asa Kaya kona se mi ko unu mami amekasa babi wada wona wona obi odobi dance wow wana nani baba ni yo sabesha usubane wone ya apasa obi ni ma obi chire me pasa obi sama me se ni baba babi sabesha usubane wone ya apasa obi ni ma obi chire me pasa obi sama me se ni baba baby. So what? I can't even call. I don't imagine it. Mr. Suyen, I can't dream more. Mr. Obama, before to say, and the Mokadi, I just think I grab your bad times. I am there with the bunny in Mona time. Then I can't say a word. I'm passing a cassa banching, Nana, Sane, Jane, Betray. Me one come to me one Mesenka, Matumi Wagu, our manager, the man she a be. I did see a baby, Macada Gassa. The found one from power, Naswa baby, and my best year, no. I want to submit your father. Was yes, and one I saw you ready. Said I train one day. I mean, I will bet to talk on one day. I want to go to another one. Hey, Odobi dance wow. Wana nani baba ni sabesha usubane wone ya apasa obi ni ma obi chire apasa obi sama me se ni baba baby sabesha usubane wone ya apasa obi ni ma obi chire apasa obi sama me se ni baba baby.
Okay. Yefa sembo. Emma Obaga Dozia. Mamenko spirit ho.
Obaga Dozia.
Boss.
Obaga Dozia.
Boss.
Ukazakra miteo. I think so why had here enye bad. Enyum no nye enyum wa key no a favor. Oba competition say also very careful the type of song I'll be choosing. Very important because key nam wow. Obaga Dozia minimu no ene key nam wow. But once a competition just the mark per bit me you free. What you say? Enti bibia obi bia no enka say ne there wo me I think say last week me can say bibia e wo mu bia no say oh backstage yi to ho na bra be perform here because you future. What you say? And ne key na favor e costume no me can say enye too on I think say ne Obaga Dozia so opportunity bama wa next week ye bibi na impress viewers. All right.
Okay, next week try say obey bibi ama watime akọ wonim. So person votuma Obaga Dozia. Ipacho Obaga Dozia o number na say
star 800 star 201 hash.
So what say star 800 star 201 hash.
Now about 7.
Now about 7. Now I vote to Ediama Obaga Dozia. Pacho go backstage emame. Ye twaso e wo dwumadi no so. The odi hono me freno amna backstage. The odi hono me freno amna backstage. Inshiraba se inshiraba wa ha omra stage emame. Se inshiraba wa ha omra stage emame. The tia me freno backstage no wa prepare no nyum kama nka oba beto na oyare serious pa antika me hwese ko betimi kra backstage na ka ode nanim abekire na ka ye ho no but am say ahode ne nti ye rush na ye de na ko hospital but mo am wo fie ene ba bia mo bia mo kama koma ntom yam se ne ho ebeto no ye mfa mpa ebo emfa entai na chi ye go so ye toa so e wo dwumadi ne so medical aka kire say hwe Facebook Kumawood TV, Facebook Kumawood TV, and YouTube and so ɛyɛ Kumawood TV wohwɛ na wahye na waja comment ɛwɔ hɔ na yakenkan ɛde amount abranti ambɛfrɛ no or fans pa na neminim sɛ ne fans no ɛbae anase womo ama mo me fans ambodede enhia abranti a yɛfrɛ no Mandem
Stardom TV reality show. In a kill them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Killy, shot them, bad man die. The whole of them fake. A fake fight, but the whole of them winner smile ha. And nine and what nice them a do. Pop up the whole of chat come at and you me somewhere me leave them to come here boo. Ooh. Me mama no me papa no me nua no ma do for mo hwe me. Mama this year. Mandem Savage. Kumawood TV program on the Abba. Stardom Jimmy Meso make a hobby. And he said, I am of say young crown, you be show a Thailand, no per se, Mandem, make a hobby. Code now, obey vote to a man and I'm the Jinemuno. Star 800 star 201 ash. Now, wabo 13. Amame, Madam Martin, Bay.
Oh, bawonsam efama Mandem waya de ono nso ede ne de abesene eko mamenko MI so
Yes, man them. Yes, why are they? Ohe nyumia utu ya akobo senior. And no, it's not easy, but you took it easily, you relaxed, otoye. And I love the way you express your emotions in the song. No, the only thing they say, na microphone stand this one. It was obstructing you, but as a musician, I also say it's part of the props into move in chain. So when you sub your man, yes in chain, so that you can have the free role to play. So what I say,
okay, Daddy.
Until next time, no. You know, why are they?
Okay, you know, why are they? Mandem, so person vote to mandema. Mandem, bra. So person vote to mandema. And then, oko near say.
Pamucho, star 800 star 21 as me nominee number 13.
Number 13, never vote. Ediama. Mandem, Edi Amame. Ye caught the next contestant and ye caught sa high life na and until one so. Fawushembi na shemaye obaha protocols ni nyina ya observe na kama obia hye nose mask kama de wo hye bia na ne de eda ne ho kama wo yese o sorry pe obehye na bibia nso akoso kama abai protocols ni nyina ya observe na kama wa hapa mede ade Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos me na mede dwumadi ho chiame me wafa lumba enso edina nimonyam abeta yachi momyemfa ensembo ema wafa lumba obakuma TV a anopa bia kowa show ye wafa wotena so a otuyefo no ene ofie ha enente ye moye ensem emfa ema no. The next contestant no ya sakakra or the comedy at the brain where abrantie bia onuntina ofa ewa ha nene ofa nso ebehu ne wofa ase a ye frɛ no wofa mombe afa sambode de ehia wofa anase papa panimu a ne din enyina ede wofa na wofa no comedy emre
Stardom TV reality show.
Me can say my kwabo chile na wo chile mi twa mi plane take it me ko na MPC nko ana ete plane na me say ene me sumi ye sikani o say me so me jiji dem ti me jiji dem na me to no o sha say almost say seminar ti seminar no de man e bi ni kinso na aluple no ye tim na e check akla no mo ma ye pure water de a chile pa ti o mo de ma ye wie ye no na aluple take it some level sha say some chiche fruit na hudu mebile ebi ne enchewi abo fruit ko se biscuit nkati o chiche ma ye wie na aluple take it some level no sha say some chiche menus no ahudu mebile ebi ne appetitions afufuo won some say mo de Kumawood TV Stardom no me kan bi some person video puma fa phone na dial star 800 star 201 ash o send ya me code number 19 Islam Ghana for Anton Sumania du Elias.
Obiani ho media kwa kwansa de bi mfa ma fichiro da baje di se enene nansa mu ofie na maami bi digidi oba me maami ho oba ya he o maami we na msuo ni ho gaga na me maami apie me se ma sa o shona na ne me ma me pie o se ma me je me bankuta mam busam na me se ma bankuta na ndra me kwanda kwa sha me na mu na ku no se obeto bia mama mi se gidi o je na ade ene me ma me dane no ho o ye so rather ma pe na ma mi tu sha me ma me so ene o di na etum otuna ma mi adoje otunu adoje ko wie na me ma mi agikoto mi ensa na me ma me so abone twade amienu me ma me so odeka enya ade oba ma mi ya wi ni da ene o mu di shemu biem kikiri na ene me ma mi boni bro na ye pe boni bra ye pe na me ma mi ene me ma mi etwa antokwa ezu o mu twa so sa antokwa ya bi na bisi Liberia ne China 1921 na mo be 2 years na ntokwa isi wo Liberia na Liberia ne China die ya nu podi ba ku ani nye o de ne sekanda ni tie ne ya sha ba ku ani space na me ma mi die ma mi hwa ya bu ni nti eni ekirikiri ma mi wura de eni ene se be 34 inches o de si me ma mi tiri kai me ma mi je no ho anje o she bibia nye ye eni ma mi de ne sisi hu eni so ti ya no wa bo me ma mi sakola de abo ya to sakola di abo ya to ebe hu eni ma mi abo ma mi sakola ma mi adu gas ya de on peso di ni tiri be kofie eni ma mi ekofie ma mi so ma mi ko yintoma ba ya pe na ma mi kofie se o wa na pe ntokwa na so di ntokwa wunja ya o tokwa du be ko ba bia wumpe bia akwala yo tufu awon fan your circumference is my circumference akwala yo tufu awon fan o ko anti ade si yo tufu no afa jela na prison dia ebi ngbo woda se ntokwa na so ba ko ama wa bra ba atwa wa bra ba dia prison na agbagba wi tuwa na pentokwa jantokwa teacher nkota o kira me sabrofi me da wa sepa se circumference is circumference jai ntokwa nye wa ye tufu awuntie no uko anti ade tuwa ha umpa futu na say jai ntokwa.
Okay, ono so na futu semwa ode abre yen eno aha o si echankota e kan asembe na treo
circumference is my circumference.
Circumference is my circumference. I said, you say.
Why you two for no quantity?
You two for no one far. Who call anti? Mamma call spiritual.
Oh, okay. Offer. I think say why are the BB first of all, stage, you know. We intro but now we form too much. Now we form pa. Sadly, I think say this is the second time I catch over here. Hojuma, a bebo. A costume near bad. Now, where's no? Na ye 10 years kese. Next time try so be one. Na money short. Because me say do baby na one kasa wo break. One kasa wo budget me say na wo break. Money short. A foot only there. Perfect. And our brofone so I think say miss ya. And next time ma be kan happy. Why are there?
Why are there obekop stage at the amame. Aha, ono so at the bra. Beka wo code. Yes. As a referee, beka wo code kakra. So obi entoma wa wo code ye saying
19
enti obobo star 800 star 201 hash and our code 19 enti so person wo vote ma wo fa na wo vote e de amano ye ko the next contestant na ono so e de ne de aba the next contestant no ne nyuma wo de eba wo se pa kwasi Mommy pass and body de Asia Abrantia ye freno Guy Jesus.
Stardom TV reality show.
Nami see me Shira Brenna so me dear Brenna so ma kwento Brenna so Eradi enu ye mami o ago Ghana mine Asante mine Mamponte mine ne rock asafo manyina me de enchia free otumfo nyankopon ho ema mu nyina dɔfo a wɔhwɛ me ne obiara sɛ makoa guy Jesus nie ɛyɛ Kumawu TV ɔmo program ɔmo ahyehyɛ a ɛyɛ Stardom no Nyankopɔn adom ti meka ho ti mesrɛ enuanom ne adɔfo a mo hwɛ me sɛ mo bɛto ɛde ama me code number ne yɛ *800 *201#. Awa send this. I will send ya. My number is number 6. Mesre obi bia mamponten man. Monto mame na memfa ahenche no.
Ye na na ya ba kwestie ye na na ya misiminya yanka minya yanka misiminya yanka misiminya yanka mi did besia konkon efiata ma be ajota ma be efiata ma be yakoko mami ya Christy bro, efiata ma be, ajota ma be, efiata ma be, yakoko mami ya. Onane. Adano numrebi, toko so abontin so. Misia wo baby abra mi ko pe bibi edi na many born so me dey come out on so obey you fine obey you nice share me ni out no chi na meto machi wo simi ko ni fi ye no me ko to mami eno se me say ni ba no okoko ebe odi be do fu ko mo ti no mami odi be di bi ko mo ti no mami ya koko akosi akotoje abra mansa nana ma ya Christy bro efiata ma be ajota ma be efiata ma be yakoko mami ya hey metu wano be born so metu wano kwawu metu wano abeti fiana obomi yana opun prayer so wati fi meko eniya sese koshe obi disikeji sese koshe obi denjeji sese koshe no bi dia to pechi efiata mabe ajota mabe hey efiata mabe yakoko mami ya Christy bro efiata mabe ajota mabe efiata mabe yakoko mami ya Christy bro efiata mabe ajota mabe efiata mabe yakoko mami ya Christy bro efiata mabe ajota mabe efiata mabe yakoko mami ya.
Okay, bawusam nafama guy Jesus odonso edede de abesine eko am I?
Yeah, guy Jesus. So far so very good. Why are there pa? On say normally Oba you sing gospel, but then I've seen the other side of guy Jesus. Your costume on point, the way you engage the audience. Oma ye feel say ye na otonyom na mai. And it was very nice. Your dancing was wonderful.
Thank you.
My name is Winim Sasa. Why are there? At a point, I thought your voice cry or may have a problem, but it was all cool and smooth. You've done well. Why are there, pa?
Thank you.
Okay, you've done well. Why are there, pa? Judge number 1. But go backstage. Am I? And now Odessa comment now. Bremo. You go so I was stardom Jubadi. Na me try me ho sima baako na maba. Me next contestant no or your ba me yinadi edi achiro.
Hey, Steve, Osode.
Na wo kwai
Jack me court she wonti me case no makoto land bia ma che se me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manso abusia asase we asase ama sem na kodi court 4 years ni wo sika nyina asa aka mant no mabua
ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so wabra Best Land Estate Limited ewo omo asase won kan wo kuma se wo to asase wo Best Land wo na dua ka pe o ma 50 bars of cement free and I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount enu achi no se woni sika kra o de be free na wutua na kakra wonti
o mo di asase free
me da mesi nyina o mo na mama asase
mesro fa me ko
Obetimi afa telephone number na the screen so no na free won se sia
na won na court 4 years what me the 1 year esi wo dan
ewi ase ankasa no pese osifia eso pelandia ehun do
ene na Best Lands Estate Company Limited be a landlord.
Okay, yeah, Mama Makwaba be what about Jumadia to the Stardom Kumawu TV live. Mama Diana share and my Facebook and YouTube. Midday Eddie Samuel Kwabana Dako, aka Sam Dakus. Mena Mede Jumade and what chairman. Meko, na me catch will say Oba and Waye Oba Udi Kain, or didn't performer, Eba. Ababawa, your friend, Franca Vibes, your fan Sambo, your fanciano.
Stardom TV reality show.
He wants to end me before my time with any patrol saying how you go shine no. Or Sarah Kuan so power or see oh she was close to her prime. Baby I'm feeling and not from a to become a celebrity for make your mind. Me mama me papa mo me nua mo obi a o hye me din di Franca Vibes me pa ma cho Stardom competition no me pa cho me ka ho bi me pa cho competition na start enti me pa cho so person vote ma me na me ka competition ni ma foul phone never star 800 star 201 hash me pa cho me code your number 1 Franca Vibes to all the networks me pa cho vote ba ko 50 pesos into me pacha vote bebre mommy na me ka competition ni mo me pacha teach my for be a phone na me stra mo move vote mommy me bon fa say ya very na yedi mkuni me da mo se se obe vote ya mommy me stra mo nyina teach my for me hwe mo obi an vote mommy echo cry I'm pathway Subama wanko hepo or day say just so come anyone echo I feel pathway Subama wako hepo a day. See just so. Kono ngokura unru asita do abafie. Ya so cry unchamu sumaya from yo. Get down, baby. See just so get down, sweetie. See just so. Ochubie, maybe Ochubie on fetch man, Ochubie ki cameo. Kasaba yo pay. Na mayo kunupa, na yatina se fefe. Sandra Jebosie, enya no one netia, efia usumi ati samio. No edwene akwa na wudie. Unyesika ne kwa fankwa na moche. Zade mi tumio. Me to me be a cry at some way, see just so. A bit soon. A bit serene, a bit did you never one day. Ebi tie cry. Ebi soon ebi sere. Ebi did you never body. Ebi tie cry. Be ma ka say. Ka say oh. Atamfo ka say oh. Be me ne. See just stop. Kono go cry unru. Astaru abefie. Ya so cry uncha mo sumaya from you. Get down, baby. See just so get down, sweetie. See just so. Change be a dimawo. What do me do? Wow. Ah. Change be a dimawo. What do me do? Wow. Mama ka say. Ka say oh. Atamfu ka say oh. Jerusalem, Kawasayo, Bemene, say your song, Konago crowd, I start to have a face. Just a crowd, Chamu Subaya from you. Get down, baby. See your so get down, sweetie. See your so.
Oh, see just so by Franca Vibes. Mamenko, Maxi.
Franca Vibes. Why are the what? Why are the I think so foot on the mamumuti over when in pa in the kino na a year. Why are they? Mebaho. I think the energy now the bar stage in a o costume near bad. One Mafia Coffee B. One Mafia Coffee B pa and a what perform a kama. Now who's they do the honka? Oh yeah, hey rakaka kino. One casa but me bring moon, ben casa. And why are the what perform come? But what is that? More said they can be an ubiti because ye per se a baby program no more do baby. I think so. Why are they?
Okay, and why are they Franca Vibes? So people say vote tomorrow on Canada a day and now on coin.
Okay, me pass so person vote tomorrow. Over *800 *201# to all the networks. Me pass vote about 50%. Franca Vibes.
Code say.
Pachomina me number 1.
Code 1.
Number 1.
Franca Vibes. The code number 1. Franca, go backstage for me. Na yentwa jumadi ne so. Ni odi ho wo ye dancer. Ne de ne say odi asa. Wo de worship kra mana obesa. Ene tim yan fancy mbode de Asia Richmond.
Stardom TV reality show.
Hello Ghana for Kumawu TV Stardom me kan bi. Me pese mu vote ma me friend me Richmond Aboaje. Mu vote ma me asimfo sufo aton sufo edua sufo na me semsem be vote ya ma me na me din kunu ma be star 800 star 2001 hash. The code 18. To be on vote to Mamma and Fahim.
Richmond on also at the NASA at the Aba. I'm also.
Yeah, Richie. Yes, why are there? But every time, last week me catch you, last 2 weeks me catch you. The basic element of dance and mad dance, is the energy level. But you always lack energy. I don't know why. Well, dance, I say what break. When you dance, you are having fun, but when you don't see the fun. Or say, so you are smiling. Now the energy now masana efe. Asande biya mekan, you know how to dance. But a dance without energy, it's less of a dance. And your dance, papa. So, into my energy mrim. Not smiling to the audience. So, but we did too much serious. There is no energy. I'm 40 na yeda. Meaning say why too much of a speech and prize giving the performance. So that's what I see as a speech and prize giving the performance now. But this is a bigger stage. It's a competition. You are young. Learn. So put energy, smile, have fun, and you go there. Okay.
Okay. Yade Sambama Richmond. But answer number Richmond. Obi person vote tomorrow on your day.
Obedale star 800 star 201 hash. The code near 18.
Richmond code 18. Over backstage at the Amami. Make I will say, and eviction or her. Independent movie. Ebe kofi. And until say so vote here. Omodian say we vote and tem. Now the ama o favorite contestant Sabaya. Yen film. Emma no Mbafie. Yemfasida Emma ya for Best Land Estate Limited. Best Land Estate Limited. So pass asia. Mansubia naso. Mansubia enaso. Ubenya open wo krom, open wo Kumasi, open wo Nkran, open wo Tamale. Ghana have baby a ope asase atobia. Bomodi asa obafa sa telephone number 0555 253 838 0555 253 838. Afei wasi dana wie opese wutu nsuo ewo fie ho. Wasi dana wie a opese wutu nsuo ewo fie a. Bomodi anafa number mebekan no wafre Top K borehole drilling. Top K borehole drilling. Ofre na ono nso beboa na obetu nsuo no e de ama kama pa ne bo e wo from eno ti frɛ no 0547 75 3603 0547 75 3603. Opa baby ada jojo ho ama mframa papa afa ho ama AC abɔ ama wanya baby a swimming pool eda ho kama ubenya baby agye mframa kama pa me kanfo baby ba ko pe ena de ama Kumasi de ye frɛ ho Lord Cecil Lodge okohwa me pa cho ye wa queen size bed wo ho ye wa king size e wo ho ena ye wo size bia enso ede e wo ho bomodin ase obekɔ na wakɔdwodwo ho makase empa no woda so a eye de eye moton enti woni wo jolly ebetimi akɔ omo number no eye 0549 22 0549 215 odi shaswa ofra ebekɔ live yeguso ewo Stardom Jumade. The next contestant oba no ononso odene nyom ede aba eye abrantia ne ho efeye na onim de woye na oba stage na obia so eni agye ye ko hedidu aba abrantia amenta mo ne dim ko obo ne dia no obia hu even the video mra eba obeba abetwa so Stardom TV reality show. I bought here for Nyame. Aja ubari ku ubari brewa brabum. Meni usa brand yesi bia. Me ba brand swami wanu amami na mkofo cross. Afidi mato ba om tenso ajifo mo pape na ji unguwa. Oye Nyame dada nwa unsam no jeni o ma o. Enti temi so frema mi mpa ibonro anim. Je amanfo efremi oji awo. Na me adu abeka Stardom competition no. Eti mi slide of no say mo nya me nkama kuma na motoma me say mo to ma me so na moto fa *800*201#. Me number 3. Me slide of no say nya me na ka kuma enya nhyɛ so but mo nya me nkama kuma na mo so ntoma me say motoma me ne asase ba wo so ama be
Yes, mo brapa, anya ni sani penye sikankwa, penye bibia mawa, mami e maura ho, sawai, metu abedi, nadi achichi uro. Yes, mo brapa, anya ni sani penye sikahe, penye bibia mawa, mami e maura ho, sawai, metu abedi, nadi achichi uro. Kanya do mo jubro ni se e bi awo apaso te frenya san ko besa kwatwi wa mananso ye ko ne fufu anko bedi dan so edran ko ni bom enti na mo no ne sanno mi ma mi abra mi ho sa de obata bi abra ma no enti mi nka no kesio eya ma mi en me se de baba bo bi rapa no ye japadi ekesie bio me see me bomb home body no. Na me nye sika. I don't know for since I na kana go na ma body so. Na body ni akase. Oji awo mami na grow yo. Abe so na kani wa kidwa. Ni akasa se so mami si ni akasa se so. Na so la ni bra kwa. Abo so me kro ya. Ani mo edunum. Mami sami ti wa mani huni. Ni apiri awusie. Asonya bo sika. Foni adambe preben ko na kire di panaba bra pawa. Awo mami ko rajiji sembi. But if I see a chemu way, esna be bobia o. Adum nyame asami bose, obama memunai. Bidi mo friend you na beto se why. Adu se wa bonsio. Sai wa koto, se wa mpa fu braketu. Oyini ba se ye. Ma wi a o mi e, bidi mo friend you na magwa o. Ama odi aka asase so enai. Anu samanya bibia mawa mami maura ho beto bedi ari ajichiri uro say kwa aman sense and for your money yasi awari 19 kan na yeni ni enu yaba senso bonini so anu banso oh, so why is in a buao? When you see can so I go. And ya go no be that. And near Bewo, that you both go no remnants. Only in a coca, cabo, say, Yassimo, in bar. Nanya, my man, Vanessa. Obianya, be money watching. I was a guess on you where you are. A baby Bewo, and I saw. If you have no console, bye. Eti me nsi abotro asako basa manye yempa eni arewo oja pades ngudi ma sawae bese me mama wo sasiso nyina yo nyina ma tiwa ma odi aka sasiso anae anu tisamenya bibia ma ho am eni arewo anae menya sika ma ho Amora ho se why Miss Batu abedio and I
Bones ma Ojiawo and so the performer Abba kama Mame call Maxi eso
Ojiawo.
Hello sir.
Yeah. Why are the pa? I think say that they will lie mu pa.
Oh yeah.
Na mahu say meaning too much.
Sir.
It o starting the camera. O starting the camera pa na mum wan kasa hu say echo ending na me say na o shouting now lose to voice no. Na face na it's like now o stress on too much.
Okay.
Yeah. And you are taking it easy. What to you know all right because you will lie one kasa and what perform ye. We stage performance na ye o costume ye bad. But energy no so na ye but voice no. Edru ba bi no na wa kasa won say na we lose voice no.
Okay.
Nti yeah try say anytime bia no be maintain no voice how the best start no be maintain no men shout be brave. The one freaky no.
That's the brave.
Why are they?
You.
Okay, why are they? Ojiawo obi person vote tomorrow. Code near say
star 800 star 201 hash 3.
Code number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, so person vote tomorrow. Ojiawo the number 3. Ojiawo ofin na buy.
Pacho mi free Amansie Central.
Amansie
Central aye district capital Asante Jakubu. Mi kro mo twa piase. Na yo me abuntinsu. Mi krase ni baby.
Bounce mama. Ojiawo wasi we ye krase ni kakra. Pacho backstage. Efa me hona na mani age keke. Oma contestants na eba ni nyina energy ewo house hapa. Oma unsema no na waya de. Ye fa somebody de enhia abrantia odi ho na ono nso amfa ne de emre ye. Abrantia ye frɛ no Android.
Stardom TV reality show. nse me sisi o Ghana mete pena me raho sisi Ghana ha de amane na doso imia yekrum nipa abrofo de ne age omo fel so moma ye no ye ho ye nyina nipa baako ikremu peaceful nation yet ha nipa na yekum uye bibia menua dwemu mienu this your boy 100 stardom juma de ye me kan obi mr obetima fa phone no abo star 800 star 201 hash code number na ye number 4 mr obetima vote ama ma osa code na so e number 4 no tu vote ma me a yankopon enshirawo
Android. Hey. In fact, Ablaboy Bona. Because Ablaboy Bona Kabauko or Botoma. Let's go. Android. Check it. Good. Mayeya anka mabusia fuo wajeje meso so hene ba Mesi mayeya anka mabusia fuo wajeje meso so dishie bio Nesu yenti abusia pumio amama sem ayemobo Mesi mayeya anka mabusia fuo wajeje meso so dishie bio Nesu mi yenti abusia pumio amama sem ayemobo Abusia padie chirika oh mayeya anka mabusia vuo ojeje mesoso dishie bio mayeya anka mabusia vuo won see me from cry Nesu mi mpapa miniso yo ati asinti mi seda na mawo Obrecha me mana su mi mpapa Dabi ni se dabi ebe ye Abusie ni ume yamo Evisenye se yana me yemau Alex Boatin, I say recording studio. I say boy for yena. Every time my brand me want blabomi, and so boosting for you any. I say you. Abusia padie chirika. Abusia chirika oh. Media minim say, sa pa say ya kasia, oyema du for chia. Sasa mi asesa abusia mama ti asiese yanka sa mewo na enya se yewo mayeya anka mabusia fu wajeje mesoso dishie bio That's right. MI Mike Android
Oh, you can do better. Android and I did the performance at Abakama Android with the Tobasi. Your Poma, your Pesisa, or the Manana from Manana Kama, sir. Now for me call MI so am I?
Yes, Android.
Yeah, boss.
And they will charge an abujuma pa.
Battery bako.
I charge it rough. And I love it. You are learning. From first day I shall every day you do and you learn on the game. Now from your entry, you were on point. Your introduction, your costume. You know, costume tells a story. Today we see costume and then you know lyrics. No, your lyrics no kwan and but the costume no crack can be betrayed. Your stage performance, how you were engaging the audience. That wasn't singing, it was a performance. And on stage, yes, but it's about performing. And you did everything. And it was so good.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, it was so good. 100 men kwanza. papa yi ọba competition no no na ọsẹ wọ yẹ rapper ọno de rap kwan na obetumi ayẹ thanks to your music director ẹni ne team wọn timi agrumu na ama ẹnẹ otimi ẹsẹnge wọn bá mu sẹ mma music director wàyẹ adé pa 100 so people say vote ma wa kachre.
Obebo star 800 star 201 ash me number 4. Thank you.
Star 800 star 201 hash number 4. Enote moment fan sembo ema Android. You go so live. Ewo Kumawood TV. Me say wo Facebook wa phone. Now there ko Facebook. Over no TV sukra ko Facebook na like na share maye na wonso beka ebusua no ho. Me di ade Samuel Kwabena da konne me na me de dwumade no ho chiame. Kumawood live band. And so, and G and Tata with nice music. And it is open instrumentalist. Abebo will be at the amount. A year say, party I say, wedding I say, baby, Brakumewood. You were live band. Kama waha. Amababo, baby, at the amount. Ye go so, ye acquire him, and Chania the Jumedino, echo, Nevi. Na Asana no, Mama Yan Fansambo. Dede Asia Abrantia your friend Kwajoli
Stardom TV reality show.
Yes, your time. Yes, your man. In Street Boys, your time. In Joe is a boy Kwajoli on a Kumawood program. Stardom a day inside. Charlie, if you wanna vote for me, just pick your phone, dial star 800 star 201 hash, and my code is for vote for me. Your friend Kwajoli. Creeper.
Serious? Ha! Your friend Kwajoli. Everybody, everybody say, everybody say. Woo! Ah! Stop! Sabi! Oh! Two! Everybody! Woo! Ah! Everybody say, everybody say. Two! Woo! Ah! Odom pipa nenim nisio non tore we bingu non kai hunu se odo de esa na etie woo Medafu pipa nenim nisio non tore we bingu wate non kai hunu se odo de esa na etie on fana ni to meso na meso meti hei ne ho agenja na ekumi ne hu ni sa na meti me woni tenya kamepe mi wo adahwa yentwe mi wo enwa na ekumi ya te me dano ono so do me na so ya ma me da fu ya njimi endi se odo Yehuda baby se odo Yehuda baby na me. Let's take it to the bank. Se odo Yehuda baby se odo bibro ni da mebi na me. Mr. Samodako I don't know about man because Sam Dakus eja show me a table. Young boy everybody yabani say two Enya me panese ade cha de sen ya kwaje men komena sedra na jo men ko yakobe aba everybody Enya me panese ade cha de sen ya kwaje men komena sedra na jo dancer two serious Emaninya wa jinjin se Baje men komena se dra na joa komena yakobe two jenjese aye ya men kaiwo eje men komena sedra na joa men komena
eja na joa men komena bounsem fama kwajoli ono so adene de abesene akọ rappers no omo ba ya na omo se omo de rap nko a na omo ba rap no baako enso ene kwajoli yenko maxi
Sam mamini kan ko band ne so Kumawood band omo ya de pa
omo ya juma Bonsama Kumawood band
I think say director ne so boyen because me hwe kwadwa from day one no we improve pa and all have voice now they tonyum na me so a rapper but and what tonyum no wa mama fifie
last week so we gospel so come
yes we are there meaning say omo call manim dey can no mutie na music directors ne so boyen and then the performance near perfect, the costume on point, voice no good, power behind voice near good. Now unim okon and mekori no anko yaira ono ahuye, but because say unim the orienting or you fast, into when you fast cry we a musician what it why are there?
Okay, we a musician why are there kwajo jina emame kwajo ni papa Isaac ene ne mame ewa ha monso airtime amobanache monfa sembo enfama wa monso ya de kwajo obi pese vote ma wa say no besi akon
ibacho upeso vote ma me a obe dial star 800 star 201 star no abo me code 12 ti ubo 12 no asende afia beba se enter a number of votes nti dodo apeso vote ma bia ba ku 50 pesos so timi 50 cities mam kra that was
timi vote so one the one circus cities 50 cities about vote 2000 cry dema kwajoli kwajo go backstage emame na kwajo koyi na kwajo eba kwajo ko na kwajo eba yemfa sembo dede Asia kwajo vibes
Stardom TV reality show.
I still can't believe this. I can't believe I can't take control of myself, baby. How come my bomb bang bang bang? Me feel and I say me now my uncle and me go soon, baby.
You Ghana phone and patcho e musun for the vibes in me. Patcho Kumasi for Accra baby Ghana for any and patcho person move to mamia. Patcho move too far star 800 star 201 ash. My number near 15 and fan count. Say munti abefa.
Say baby. Beautiful power in your boy. Baby, beautiful power in your boy. Beautiful power in your boy. Baby, beautiful power in your boy. Beautiful power in your boy. Oh, beautiful power in your boy. I'm sorry I no power. Me on fire. Miss what die for me no. I was so good me. I'm sorry I no power. Me on fire. You are die for me no. I'm a drink of it. Beautiful power in your boy. Yeah, beautiful power in your boy. Beautiful power in your boy. Beautiful power in your boy. Sanatio, oh man, you do. That's the dark did you? Oh my God, yeah. Beautiful power in your boy. Baby, beautiful power in your boy. Beautiful power in your boy. Oh, the power, beautiful power. Chibano. I see it. Beautiful power in your boy. Baby, beautiful power in your boy. I don't know. Was you not the bank so? Say the full power in boy, baby. Made up for power and young boy.
Made up for power, Wunyum and a boy. Am I?
Yeah, Kojo vibes.
Yes,
I like your costume. Your entry was okay. But lyrically, as a creature, I remix to be. Now, remix, so not institution, mame. It wasn't making all that sense to me, seriously. You are very good. Me name say more years I'm since wait me. I don't know, but I know you to be better than what you did today. Last week, now you're awesome. So this week I was expecting you to be improve on. But no, I think the first line pena unyano correct. Ya kanina me name says some dark is nature back.
Am I seriously ne home fan?
Oh, okay.
Ne home fan. Oka omo amo home fan omo hono. Enti ebe pardon the kakra.
Oh, okay. And then could you vibe so home for dia bija or bad home for our lyrics and the still our lyrics and no until next time try and work harder because I know you can do better. Okay?
Okay, so person vote ma could you buy sir? Could you o code near say?
Patrol *00 *201 ash. We code in here 15.
Code number 15. Say one vote to my contestants here. Enyimre ya ebe frame. Enti for phone. Never to my could you vice could you go backstage for me. Now for your next contestant so make I say omo amaso jumade yasene ayade bro top K borehole drilling ipacho ope obi na watu nsuo kama ede amawa top K Best Lands Estate Limited and also opa asase kama pa na wode asiu dan manso bia na so a Best Lands ne ho na obekọ afei opa baabi ada adodo ho kama so a Lord Cecil ho na obekọ yekoya nimu yi ye free Kojo vibes ho a yekoyi na afei abati a ye friend no Young Dimelo ononso odine de ebreye
Stardom TV reality show.
Yo, me no fake friend above. Member Olija make a man star. And by me she pina zigzag love have fun. Also me dey pan TikTok boom. Yo, this a boy Young Dimelo. From a chair of phone at T4. Me did juma e come with TV. Na juma dey na me di no e Stardom. Ya do ma chede. Me stremo mo vote mame. I was short code *800 *201 #. Mr. Modumase for Agona for Tafo, Pancron by Bia Garu, Obian voting mammy. And I'm a number 9.
The medal, original lifestyle. Yeah, I want to say. My daughter when be brave moi and I'm still brony groom I don't see me quench ni be brave say my ye just say my shanda so na men kind of I'm ya do my it ta do ma say wa ko traba na be baba my daughter when be brave moi and I'm still brony groom I don't see me quench ni be brave say my ye just say my shanda so na men kind of mami ado my sweet tata do ma say wa go taba na be oba star now I'm running repawati I don't more I had any I'm repamber
enti odo de pampa bata machi na me bra ne mre pa wate adomo rimo aye de ni amre pamba na me ba ne sansa me saba fiensa fine sadia mi timio eye ya me ma ebedi me hu a mecho me ma mi refiu da wate me say me no wa mo bienu me no wa ba mo bienu oda me ma mi refiu da enti pie se mi sente tada se mre pa ba ya na so eye de are die beba enti me say Adam AJ and Sam Dakos our song manager FIN spirit dan ko po se omwa me na se me ya catch you for my phone me ya catch you my phone minister of work of Besifa obi aba o say na dance ka bebre na we ko ba be say na dan kan kwa na dan e kwa enti ya shebre ana sen krabia ana se edutuo ana misia na enye ene was rade nkwa pa face sama bravo mami na me ya kachu mafu majado wa bibre mo ana mti bro ni kro ada su me ko sini webre so ayeye yes masala so na menka mami adoma so na menka sweet atadoma never go tabana be
Young Dimelo and also the Nidia Besniko and you may a Jaco Abrantier and a boy Maxi
Young Dimelo
sir
Mefro Junior Shatter Junior Shatter you want to tell you one why you now for one day next time when your opportunity now between you penuma here simple nato and you know some lose and come but to be honest with you from the scratch ni na ufrikinum but well crash ufrikinum what you say but make sure them remove be but make sure say try so be singing na ka ho try pass so be singing na ka ho what I say o costume no ye and energy no na isusa na wo form e competition but I can say just one mark grab it me you were free men try to be free because ubon ho modern na wo mu a enko say be wie no na nyame aduma ma Ghana fo what you say bon modern
thank you
okay bon modern o code ASN obi person vote to Ademawa
star 800 star 201 hash number 9
o code number number 9 mon vote mano na wonka competition no mo ene obi bekofie ene obi ebekofie obo asefo mo ha o ye ni oro obo asefo mo ha ani amon fansem bo dede Asia Abrantia your friend Karis
Stardom TV reality show
I didn't me high name kwaji why na me so no Dimechi say Berima Yehovah ma bankese. Hello, within the Karis Stardom Jumedia Yeno Kumawu TV meka ho bi na short code o de be vote amame star 800 star no abo 2 0 no abo 1 no abo hash me number 5. God bless you.
Stardom TV reality show.
I didn't me high name kwaji why na me so no Dimechi say Berima what to say that's it. Hey Obra Obra anywhere I go see me too for Obra
Obra, G, Obra, Niwara. And Onana, Mintivin come maybe. Sana Brabotia. Aye, me too. Obray, only penny obray. Yeah, Bonnie say, I could go pay baby up to no. I just on Nora, Nora, alright, anyway, me yambo frano, tell me dino, never will bring me say, I'm coming up in Intamo, Namia Medimi Muso, Abraboimo, Nanso send and penny away. Ya dear ya pa obi we bane obi we kojo obra anywhere wa utie me abrabo se opese abrabo ko enimu mawa tutuwana mo esiye na obra anywhere rabo Obra and the Warabo. Oh, I can see Yaba Frano. Tell Mammy Dino. Name won't pray me say, I'm coming up in Intamo. Wow, we're meeting you. As you made him also a raboimo. Nanso Sanam Penny away, a brew. Aya Yapa. Oh, what be way? Oni pane wabiwe nana kojo se obra eneva obra di obra eneva obra yebo obra di obra eneva Obey, only penny obey. Yeah, bonne say, I could copy baby at one. I just saw no, and I could just say, Obra, anywhere. Let's see, the young friend. You told Mammy Dino, Kojo, Name won't pray me say, I'm coming up in Intamo, Namia Medimi Muso, Abrabo Imuata, Nazo Sanam Penny away, yeah, I dear be I say, yeah, I will be Woni Pane, Obi, Nana Kojo say, Obra. Yes, sir.
Power Samiye, Emma Abrantia, your friend, Caris. Am I?
Yes, Caris. As usual, you did very well. I believe, say Nanam Pedu, and also be heard the video each Nanam Pedua. I'm very sure, say Nanam Pedu Beboa Basso. And you did it so well. I always say you didn't only sing. When you are on stage, it's not about the singing. You acted. The way your voice, movement, we be actually say, we are kokra wa bobra. We didn't feel so that was stage. You were in character. Sa kopim se uwe, and it was very well. Your voice, the way you modulate, it was so simple for you. You did very well. The only thing I will tell you is that costume no. Nkanam pese wo sha henema they mo friend chow no so that you have 100% cultural image of yourself and a brand no so obetena wo nchen no ya mamre mu peni ba peni tenase ansa na ya tenase enti ono eni kwan se otwen wo tenase ono tenase ansa na wa tenase osu onya abotre wo tenase no ansa na ono nso atenase na e de ni diama so your acting everything was on point. And good work for that.
Thank you. Okay, good work for that. Pacho, drama. So we person vote Mawa. A crime best number first one.
Star.
8 no.
Ugu so acte.
Star 8 no. Na wabo circle bi kase no.
No.
Ubo pe mienu. We are now wabo star no.
Star no.
Na wabo 2 say.
2.
Na wasabo o no biem.
Wasabo o no biem.
Na wabo 1. Na wabo star. Hash.
Na wasend it.
Asend it. Me number eyi baako eyi menkai enum.
Backstage, Mamma, me Maudin Hacha, me time when you are, we be doing that. Bowser Macaris, aha, why are they ye pa? Obuasin neighbor, another Obuasin neighbor, and Subaba. But Ansana, no, your friend, somebody day, Asia, Abrantia, your friend, Dominic.
Stardom, TV reality show.
Why, Cora, not to say, Obiara ni yo sunyane mai fear prep and kwase New Doma Estate me shawmo the friend Dominic kuma wuti Stardom adwuma die ni me kan bi so person vote ma me na me di nkunima obabo star 800 star na wa mia 201 hash so ogbo wie na se mu bia the code A20 who vote ba ku bia 50 pesos greater grace sorry Living Grace sorry the Shwabo Monto Mame yo Ghana my sunyane my fair pre penkwase number 2 area 1 the Shwabo Monto Mame na mesmefan kunmidi no emra sunyane
encha enko ma fe fuyi na ni ma do fuyi na anyumre
Sorry, I no pay. Me dem me home by share one son. Me different me fiba money na share one son. Tutu manamo ina sisi mami yo minya mie makwambie biye kwami mami yo biye kwami mami yo biye kwami mami yo susu meje Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Sunsu meje Biye kwami mami yo Enya yani una Eni moja bine enya Yani ya mwatumfo Naboza weni na pamfo Wachishe yina ni so bashi mishoni koye nyamidi mutiri emmasudo Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Sunsu meche Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Sunsu meche Biye kwami mami yo eje Niyamie Niyamie Why did you back me This is the day the Lord has made And I do the summer when it was to show Or me saw my departure me Meja se medidio Se manumo Se mesha Waro wara Minya mie Biye kwami mami yo Meja se medidio Se manumo Se mesha Waro wara Waro 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 Minya mie Achaso nyamia Wachama na suemwa entati yoso Makwambie Makwambie Wuni nyamia Wachama na suemwa entati yoso Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Biye kwami mami yo Sunsu meche Be Kwame Mami yo. Be Kwame Mami yo.
So much. Be Kwame Mami yo. Oh, I don't want to say Mami. Menyade. My back in you may come and say Dominic, I don't so I didn't hear about my boss.
Yeah, Dominic.
Yes, that.
I think say to me, and the make us why idea. To me, but me be audience and super fan. But to me, why idea? Because we were from day one, second day, and then now, my whole improvement more. Utie the year can. Starting year pa, but I think say air call made the honor. Now we need air call audience needs to too much into we right one kasa one. We right, but ultimately say band na yadi, band na boa but we starting year and ne why yadi. But what they say so when your opportunities of baby wa, obe you don't want that can be what he. Band na yadi, unso yadi ne pa me bompa so bit me according.
Okay, why are there band no so I there obi person vote tomorrow.
First of all, me in Chabema, me papa our Greater Grace. Sorry, no. Any Jesus.
So what's the papa or
Greater Grace Asafun.
Okay.
I was ana any Jesus Redemption and a Living Grace. The same no more shame. See, be in case say on person mo toma me a. Wabo star 800 star 201 hash. Me number 20.
Number 20. All the way from Sunyane and Obaya Monfasembo. Emma Dominic waya de ye pa ye koyenim na enche ye de dwumade no ebeba na wiye ye ko oboase bio na oboasefo a wa ha ene oboasefo a omo wo fie ene Ghana man nyina ye mfansembo dede enhia ababa wa ye fre no Joyce
Stardom TV reality show.
Bwe mi puno imamio. Bwe mi puno imami radi. En safwa ini eswe. Mame kofa mishira. Wa shemi bia me din the Joyce. Now shemi Kumawu TV Stardom so. Na dwumedie yi sa opese mitinem na enyim from dia. Short code that we vote amame star 800 star 201 hash. Me number 2. Nyame sure so be vote.
Oso broche. Adia efe na omko. Eno sano e prawa enya ya. Bounce be o meni. Odanti mi wa enya hwe. Oso broche fansa be wo meni. Mi wa enya hwe. Menya tafu bebre na so mi bobra. Osoro chefa sabe wo meni. Mi wanya she. Menya tafu bebre. Brache me say we say ama me say ababa wa fe ba wo fe dwa obaba ida untinsan na say anyway me say ma de sa ama ma ya kete ama kete mai odo ama ma ka kitwe aw odo nti de ma ya isi ya ofe odo beba na ma fun ka kitwe bi asha odo beba na ma fun ka oda beba na ma phone bada beba na me wu kojo me wu ade me enko probisi u de drobi na ya me oda me si enye dro eyo odo nti ase odo nwa bote ejuma eti fo akuma metete nkofano am so bi do bia na yo bi be the beer. Nay, you'll be a go fun and a sound, don't way. So, Kadan, Nam Simindo, Abraham come down. Sick as every toy. I'll get every buy. Men one, I'm like a tenor by a shish, short of that boy. Stand so then went to the brown. She come me say, Abraham come down. Or double to now, a bar down. When you go boss swap it, not to my drink. But they are proper. Zagoka baby, no one. Say all they me, I work a every day. May I share it to make a fair PC. May I busy, may I yo. Look up for Rico Day. I don't put the bow. I'm down, missing fair mood. Someone is so one yet the father. I'm down, I'm a gossip. I say, Odo, I fancy Odo ever. I'll be prime, sorry, my show. I'll be plenty. Nama papa, or down one day. So very, I'm a male, baby. Mama can't get out down the market. So, Rachel, found Sabe, many others. I be one, yes, she may not some baby. Or so, Rachel.
Bawonsem. Abuasifo no Omaya wado competition we mu pa. Am I?
Yes, Joyce Pabubu. You did the song Why Are There Pa? Your introduction, a quite fast over stage. Your energy, your costume is typical Ghanaian high life. Though enyom no bema ne to ye Dr. Pabubu no. What no in your version as Obama, Obakre heart, Obez enyom Oba ne to ya na bema. But what no correct? Your dancing, you know that's one thing about you. You have an advantage, say unimsa. Unim microphone handling. Your movement is on point. Ade ba ko na e ha adwene say obefon no me hwe na o sa befon no. Osa fon ka ho ahwa e de assemble by it me show and one phone ka ho. That was on the lighter note. You've done well, all the best.
Okay, all the best. Joyce, Ben Kwanza. Obi pese o vote ma Joyce e kwan ben no onfa so.
Pacho, so pese o vote ma me a. Code near *800 *201#. Pacho me number 2.
Oh yeah, number 2. O mame and o papa ewo efie ha. Your from mame say, your from papa say.
Pacho me mame dindi, Lady Reverend Faustina Oforiwa Yosin. And I me papa dindi, Lieutenant Evangelist Ebenezer Kuyuyosin.
Kabio.
Lieutenant Evangelist Ebenezer Kuyuyosin.
Osia
brobo ni emwa na yehwehwe.
Osia brobo ni emwa na yehwehwe. Go backstage efa mame papa yi ede nanimonyam abata dwumadi echi one na yere ene na busu nyina mama ye na omase omayade ye pa yeguso eko na enche yede nyina abeba na wiye abranti a wo bai bebi am taka se ne ho ofe pa man kan for pa na ode ne performer eba o say emfa menko ho because on ra na mapen fansambo dede Asia abranti a ye frono Mula Banks.
Stardom TV reality show.
Did you see so kind? Maybe I won't change our sister. Yeah, me shake up, dabby. Girl with the look of my eye. One can say, you know, say, oh, the idea, doko. Yeah, it's your boy Mula Banks on it, you know. This is the Stardom program, and we are rocking out with Kumawood TV. To keep supporting the team, dial star 800 star 201 hash. Code number 14. It's your boy Mula Banks on it. Thank you very much for supporting it.
Senya usi utomino Shene wanti makuma Mede makuma kuwa chewa Ubeti miya shene ma Arame pena dotu so Yeah, yeah Uri mi beya u deserve Yeah, would you want Johnny Papi want me? Yeah, now would me have it for no more? Would me baby, I will stop over? Yeah, yeah, yeah. All those side of me pouch up. Miss your family, see here. Now, Mary, so mommy watching me not yet. All the way. Mary Tefrina Hoso Kwali dot de me fata Me penya obe me henya obe me Enye obe me wagro Oside Enfame koho Makume sa Into me standing Heart breaks and me Oda me fame koho Makume Baby, and family go. I soon see Nayaku. Working come in your trap also. Nagget, I didn't so down on the betcha. Can't you real so that you may see couple? Contemporary and nada, yeah, yeah. Welcome to take crime, funny who. Funny dot them in fata. Me penya over me and you over me. And then you bet me wagro. And farmer go home. My go into me standing. Heart breaks and pain. All of my family go home. My go make it baby. And family go home. Somebody rechargeable battery. Anyway, we start you with me penny. Anyway, we start you the me penny. No. Somebody rechargeable battery. Rechargeable battery. Anyway, we start you the me penny. No. Makumati said, "Cause I'm on your turn in there. If you was them, if you come on your touching it, what do we say? We'll start you the me penny. And it is some Makuma see ye, mommy. What do we say? We'll start you the me penny. We don't forget that I'm a tango, you be kumi. And farming go home. Makuma and to be standing. Heart breaks the day. Other men farming go home. And farming go home.
Oh, Bawonsem, Emma Mula. Maxi.
Mula, I think say, uti ye pa. Na uni mi wow. Fans ni dia wo fans pa. And na choice of song wow papa. Because I na out on the air then to be a tie nyum unti dia wo ye. But beginning, you know, or starting and not in your bad. O call me the honor na obam ye. Because now o to I do baby na endings no o my ways nim pay ye. Me sure say one kasa wo ye. me bremu bebre na utie fans no me advise for the last time oba try say obeye de wo ye no my fans ne de omonye de omo ye na wo so ye de wo ye o stage because we future we feel costume no bad o microphone na good stage performance na bad though now we dog kakra but ene nyom no echo inti I think say it's okay.
I think say it's okay. They don't now be calling obi person of vote tomorrow e kwan be no onfa so.
It's simple. Star 8001 star 201 hash number 14.
Why number 14? Obeto now the man Mola Pacho go backstage for me. Enche yede dwade nyina e ba na wie yamaka we say we a Stardom maiden edition and yede bro live e wo Kumawood TV. Omodin ase we vote e de ama o favorite contestant sebeya obetimi aka competition yimo. Nyame aduma next week ye jai ama obia choose ne nyoma open ne artisia open asem na wato ne nyom o choose ne artisia open asem na wato no nyom next week tax ya de mo nyom eno no ono abe choose artisia open asem pa na wato ne nyom next week na ye be kwai na abrantia last week oye car ma ye nyina ye hu se car no e move ekọ na aba ekọ na aba ene ose obeye bibi a ye frɛ no horoscope na menim hawa ebesi ahwɛ no ana menim hawa esitie edenti abrantie a ye frɛ no sakan oba no aba betre.
Hey Steve osode na wo kwai Jack me kokot she wonti me case no makoto land bia ma che se me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manso abusia asase wo ya asase ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni wo sika nyina asa aka manti no mabua ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so wa bra Best Land Estate Limited e wo omo asase won kan wo kuma se wo to asase wo Best Land wo na dua ka pe o ma 50 bars of cement free and I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land.
Stardom TV reality show.
Midi di Serhan Sidi Kumawood Dimedi aye friend Stardom means Mukahumbi Adom Achade Nugu Ahudo Bibri Ebidie Nyumto Ebidie Yasa Ebidie Didi Menso Nyankopon Adom Achade Awadi Amama me say mitimi e de madwene e ka mitimi e de madwene e muku mitimi e de madwene e bicycle mitimi de madwene e fi nso enu ntina me de madom Achade aba ha sei a me de be kire amansan nyina enu nti se wo pese wo vote mamia dali star 800 star now the 201 ash account o send na yekwa na wabo mi code number A16 in Ghana phone.
Serhan Sidik and then me be periscope. Machucha nyomano na ende maybe so na ma try. say maybe kyerɛ sɛ me periscope no ɛyɛ adwuma.
Wasi wawie ɛne nti ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ne horoscope na wayɛ no ɛyɛ adwuma anaasɛ ɛnyɛ adwuma. But we did. Mama nso mi nhwɛ bi. Okay. All right. Ahwɛfoɔ mede bɛkɔ akɔkyerɛ me judges na ɔma hwɛ. But deɛ mehu no wohwɛ ha a wohu image foforɔ ɛwɔ fam. Image no a wode ato ɛsoro ha no wohu no wɔ aseɛ a saa na ade ne teɛ. Image no a wobɛhwɛ sɛ bia mic na wohwɛ no wɔ soro ha wobɛhu sɛ saa mic naa no ɛdɛm ɛwɔ aseɛ ha ɛna wode to aseɛ ha nso a ɛdɛm ɛwɔ ɛsoro hɔ. Na mɛpɛ sɛ me judges no ɛbɛhwɛ. Nti mamemfa ɛma obi wɔ backstage ha na ɔmfa ma judges no na ɔmo ɛnhwɛ ɛma me. Wei ɛyɛ adom akyɛdeɛ a egu ahodoɔ obiara wɔ ne deɛ aberanteɛ yi otimi de n'adwene ɛyɛ biribi a nipa ɛdwene ho a ɔmo nte aseɛ. Akoduru me judges no hɔ ɔmo kyɛke sɛ yɛ ampa a sɛ deɛ mekaeɛ no ɛyɛ ampa a ɛnyɛ ampa a ɔmo ankasa bɛhu na ɔmo agyagye. Na ansa na no mekae wo sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo asɔ yɛasene ɛwɔ dwumadie yi emu ɛyɛ best land estate sɛ wopɛ asase papapaa a manso bia na so ɛde asiw dan a bepaakyɛw frɛ saa number wei a 0555 253 838 0555 253 838 ɛna Top K drilling borehole anaasɛ Top K borehole drilling mepaakyɛw wopɛ obi ama na tu nsuo korɔ gyee ɛwɔ fie na wode ayɛ pure water na wode ayɛ nsuo na watɔn na wo so no abusuafoɔ anom ɛfɔm nsuo kama paa deɛ a wobɛfrɛ Top K ɛwɔ saa ahomatrofoɔ yi ɛso 0547 75 3603 0547 75 3603 Lord Cecil Lodge ahɔ nso wopɛ baabi ada kama ama wadwodwo ho kama pakyɛw kɔ Lord Cecil yɛwɔ swimming pool kama wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi no wodɔfo ɛne wɔ mma akɔ hɔ na makɔ swimming kama paa frɛ Lord Cecil ɛwɔ 0245 92222 0245 92222 ofrɛ wɔ mu a wo nsa ɛbɛtumi aka ɔmo mamenkɔ MI so MI wahwɛ wei no mu.
Yeah, mahwɛ is very good.
Okay.
Yes, Sarkan obviously were very creative. Adeɛ a ɔyɛ biara is mind-boggling because all the paper na ebi biara the only thing that is different wɔ mu yɛ mirror na ɛwɔ mu na reflecting nneɛma ma no. Very good. But you know, in such competition, it's not only about creativity. Creativity and excitement our audience ni benya. What the experience wa hana me gidi say audience no experiences are. Nti my advice say oba na obe perform a say ontimi explain a onye obi gina ne nkyɛn a na o explain we ye say to explain. Apart from that, it's a form of non-verbal art on kasa na oye. Inti o costume crowd obehye no it should be something unique a yehu are na hwan nie ana say untimi eno a the type of dance crowd de beba ana movement no it should give us an impression o he obi say magician ana say a joker on kasa but who ne costume crowd you feel excited sana e was say art no odi bibi kan the creativity is there but we are lacking the excitement na e ka ho no. To get that excitement, you know, either say obi beka commentary amano, and I say ojina hokra no be sa oni chairman, and I say ojina hono the costume and I say no abeye some form of art be account. Net the excitement na account. Yes, sir, the creativity no is there, but the audience who vote no will not get excited. Now will lose mark on that. Your judges need the who say we are creative, but those who vote for you, no, that will be the challenge. Into one fast something of that sort and
Okay, we here a futua yen charge MI at the Amasakan. Sakan, obi person vote tomorrow. O code number is saying
star 800 star 201 hash.
Star 800 star 201 hash. O code number
16.
Or your number 16. Or no, any contestant or chato. Ye try a sima ba kubiaba. Ye ba, ye be who omu votes. E wani mu pa. E nipa 4. Omu votes. E wani mu. E na nipa 4. Ene omu ye best. Omu performance no ye best. Ni ashim ye best of the best. Ye try home race here.
Hey, Steve, osode. Na wokwe. Jack me kokot. O kokot. She. Wonti mi case no. Ade. Makoto land bia ma chese. Me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manson. Abusia asase we asase. Ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni. Wo sika nyina asa. Aka manti no mabua. Ne ndemrem ye to asase a manson da so. Wa bra Best Land Estate Limited. Ewo omo asase won kan. Wo kuma se wo to asase wo Best Land wo na dua kape. O ma 50 bars of cement free. Ana se 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount. Elu achi no se woni sika kra o de be free na wutwa kakra wonte o mo di asase free me da message nyina o mo na mama asase mesrɛ fa me ko wo betimi afa telephone number na desk screen so no na free won se sia na won na court 4 years what me the 1 year esi wo dan ewi ase ankasa no pese o sifia eso pelandia e ho do ene na Best Lands Estate Company Limited be a landlord.
I do so mama numa apo to be plenty san what to ask me mama no apo to be play wa e mo get man no ma be no yes sir who jiri di bone di na tunsuo ni bra tell you bibi bra di tie me bibi me to point ma kwa go to me ma me see the fear papa di na me problem na to bula mama ya me dis guys me play so so money to bra chabula what to apo to be play wa
enti ne bremo okay etu so ani kroki abuoi a manfo abrechifo baabi afo proof to top K actually kwai ana no me di aso kwan da no watentina
na wo dey fa what dey
never mama ha ba kra what dey top them so wo pay su papa na su kwodin pa e top K so far the down putuma so far say you too so oh e top K oh be tira kwanya yaba just nothing and who want to fresh out of body what you want to say top K and so kasa what we now
Hey, Steve, osode. Na wokwe. Jack me kokot. O kokot. She. Wonti mi case no. Ade. Makoto land bia ma chese. Me wo hwa na wo ya ba na manson. Abusia asase we asase. Ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni. Wo sika nyina asa. Aka manti no mabua. Ne ndemrem ye to asase a manson da so. Wa bra Best Land Estate Limited. Ewo omo asase won kan. Wo kuma se wo to asase wo Best Land wo na dua kape. O ma 50 bars of cement free. Ana se 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount. Elu achi no se woni sika kra o de be free na wutwa kakra wonte o mo di asase free me da message nyina o mo na mama asase mesrɛ fa me ko wo betimi afa telephone number na desk screen so no na free won se sia na won na court 4 years what me the 1 year esi wo dan ewi ase ankasa no pese o sifia eso pelandia e ho do ene na Best Lands Estate Company Limited be a landlord.
I do so mama numa apo to be plenty san what to ask me mama no apo to be play wa e mo get man no ma be no yes sir
who jiri di bone di na tunsuo ni
bra tell you bibi bra di tie me bibi me to point ma kwa go to me ma me see the fear papa di na me problem na to bula mama ya me dis guys me play so so money to bra chabula what to apo to be play wa e ansuo
enti ne bremo okay etu nsuo a ni project abuoi a amanfo abrechirifo baabiafo mpufa so top K akiri kwan ana no me adi asokwan da no watentena na wo dey fa never mamo ha mo kra wo dey top dem so wo pensu papa na nsu project pa top K so far the down mojuma so far the say yentu nsuo oh top K awo ma tira kwa nya yaba bra just na say and who want to have fresh out of me what you want to say top K and so kasa we never
Hey, Steve, Osode. Na wokwe. Jack, me kokot. O kokot. She. Wonti mi case no. Ade. Makoto land bia ma chese. Me wo hwa na wo yaba na manson abusia asase wo asase. Ama
Kumawood live band. Mama ya fansamba enhia wo mo. Aha. Yebeda ya boafo a omoboa madwumade e baso live. Yebeda ma se best lands. Yebeda ma se pa na top K borehole drilling. Yebeda ma se Lord Cecil Hotel and as a lodge. Omonso yebeda ma se pa. Contestants you two dia na wa backstage e de amame. So to there now backstage. Caris will have on stage, mommy. Caris. Joyce. Kwajoli. Android. Caris. Joyce. Kwajoli. Android. Munyuna achira hase mame Obiliyam Ediania ene obi be kofi Joyce Richmond Ana Kwajoli bio there's a Kwajoli ojina 2 Kwajoli bio Sakan so ha omra stage Okay. All right. Not just say your uncrophobia mama appear twice. That's a Joyce and Kwajoli. Okay. Joyce. Brownim kakramame. Kwajoli also brownim emame. Na Richmond. Richmond also brought ni mame. Okay. Na Sakan also brought ni mame. Jumadia Yedi is all about voting. Judges ewo more points. Yedima yenuanuma and as a contestants no. But voting eka ho bi pa ena amount mi ko nim ye. Yehwe yenuanoma omo anim ha. Omo na ye the highest voters. Omo vote ye pa. Omo vote eko anim ye pa. Do di kan Joyce. Omo msema no. Do di kan Joyce. Do otoso Richmond. Do otoso Richmond pejanza. Ana do otoso bio Kwajoli. Ana do di ho enso Sakan. Sankrofo nine ena omo vote ye, omo vote no nanim. Week bia no omo ya ade no ye dom bebre mo. Na omo nya ade no nso no ye yi omo afri. Simple. Anonti Kwajoli ene Joyce munyina ha na mo fansembo Emma Richmond ene Sakan, Richmond is Sakan, Monko backstage, Emame. Na afei, Android, Ena, Caris, Uluma Bakupe. Okay. Obiniyem. God Jesus waha omra stage mame. God Jesus oha omra stage mame. God Jesus waha omra stage mame. Obiniyem. Aye den ne asese obi kofi enya me a eye vote na eka. Me de medra ha te se MC ye de mame a na makai. Anotino answer na no me call me judge number 1 ho. Owo afutu sembia ode ma contestants ni nyina answer na ya kire de ne obekofie. Mamenko emayo.
Yes, Medasi peace, I'm Dakus. Yes, they may catch all the contestants. I'm sure say beating or supem. Your mouth task say pekenyom and I say musician bia. There is another aspect of work Mijidi said do na enye. They don't research about the song and the musician. Or say nyom na ye dia ma no lyrics no kohene tiase. Because one tiasem na say we are there to nyom edemaye. Into I will say first of all you research, understand the lyrics. Ebi mo ba na lyrics no kro mo kan o mo ntimi nka niye. That means you don't even understand. Say on tiase we are there interpret amaye. First of all you wa feel your honor. Secondly, artists now or to nyom no watch videos, understand the philosophy of the artist. What in the philosophy I say and I'll be the message na amaye. Name say on tiase you just be doing something. When so a professional stage, and ya good ye, you say the whole world won't say a serious event. To all the seriousness, you have to research about the artist, understand the songs, and perform it with the philosophy. Yes, I bet you no no. Sponsors whom everything whom. Because you are selling yourself. So you have to do it and do it well. Research about it and do it well. If you to me no.
Okay. Afutua. Young Comax was also about community.
Let me say, me na minu na kan, but me de be kan ho say, who say art na ye. It is almost bad stage. I'm going to say sometimes we bet me am obi abeba ke o aye bibi ama na ye fe. Enye bad. Art. It me expect say omom nye bibi abema audience na ni age na omatimi vote am omo. Me nua na kan nyina nti. I think
okay, yes, next week. Taxa, I almost want to say, pick artist open asem. Na yini nyomba ako never perform it. I think say a cool at the mobile. Till next week, and then I expect a free moho. Yeah, check Kumawood live band for ya. Ye kwe near the Asida at the Maomo. The boy a keyboard and ne. Your bar no keyboard no sukakra meti bo sukakra. Double keyboard. Your friend of Filippo Inzaki Filippo. Double your drums. Thank you. Oh no, your friend of that boat on the boy your drums at the Maya. Bass guitar. Thank you. Ata Nimo on the boy bass guitar at the Maya. Lead guitar. Thank you. Osei. Thank you. Osei ena oye the lead guitarist. Ena fe so do back ma romo ye friend no echa and a back emaye. Mo fasembo ema Kumawood live band. Ye kweyi na fe ye ko ye MCR ye wo Augustina and ye wo Loretta ye wo Kobe Frank on na otinchim cameras ni nyina edemaye yesan so ewo Ochinozo production manager Benghazi ono so ne coordinate e de emaye ye wo Sir Kobe ono ene ye music director. Sir Kobe ono ene ye music director. AJ Hipsy ono so ka organizers eno ho ye judges nyina ye de asida ebema mu nyina na ye koi na obi ne yam ye wo Android ye wo Caris ene wo Kojoli ene wo Joyce omene the best for momom se ma omo oh ye ka omo performing nepa omene the best for na out of the best for you. Why? And your best, more best. Caris, go backstage. Obiniyam, Joyce, go backstage. Obiatim say, we your judges no comment. And yami, God Jesus, but nothing here. Moshe ahwa na ekofi. Eden as a semika. Eden as a semika. Ene omwa okofie competition mu ye no mawie agi se bia ye next season na ombesan ba bi odi a ene ye minim kojo ene okofie a we feel say me feel bad osi me feel bad God Jesus ene okofie a we feel say what you kasa Android ene se ukufia obe feel say mi kosu ene asese me kanti Sila se ukufia obe feel say still me feel bad Android sila se ukufia obe feel say or die be die kwa haka krama me na also be me kakra yamre no ayabe medin e de Samuel Kwabena Dako ene I am sorry to say that dear okofie mama nye me space na se me hu ne papa dear okofie ye ne nye competition yi bio eye abrantie bia ne din enani pa mielu na ekofie enani pa mielu na ekofie ene nipa mielu na ekofie ana omo amudira ha yinso baako ana ye the best performer baako ana ye the best performer ana nipa mienu ana omo kofie ene omo kofie eye abrantia ye friend Peritak ana Belinda Ranks omo ana omo free competition no mukra. The best performer, Android. Eti Oma moye best nina momra na mone Android eme performing. Oma moye best nina. Nyame ya duma next week. Ye be sanso shia. Ye da mo nyina mase. Android. Oh you are. Guys, so what you here? Caris, Abusian Bonnie, Maria,
anka mabusiafo wajeje mesuso hine ba mesi mayeya anka mabusiafo wajeje mesuso dishiebio na sumiyanti abusiapu mio amama samu ayamobo abusia padia chirika abusia chirika na somi baba minim say what ya sentiment right now mawo abreja me so na somi baba say dabi da minim say dabi ye abusia nula yamo if they just say ana me yamo dabi I'm back in studio. I see we are for you now. My I come up with your I did not put me for 4 years. I can't manage no more.
Nendem we are to assassin, Manson Dasso. Wabra Best Land Estate Limited, or almost as one kind. Oh, come on, so to assassin or Best Land, one of Jackape, or more 50 bars of cement free. And I say 750 blocks at the amount free, or they can't land no amount. And what you know, so when this is cry or the free, no would change a crack. What the assassin free? Mimi damn messing now, on the mama assassin, Mr. Famiko. Open to me a telephone number na desk screen is no. Na free ones